Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestone Tynsong today emphasized the need for victims of crime against women to come forward and report, assuring that the government is committed to addressing the issue. Tynsong stated that the state police and legal system have been strengthened to handle cases of all forms of crime against women.
In fact, as far as our state government is concerned, we are very firm about it, provided people also come forward in case if they have any kind of maybe being harassed or being disturbed or being taken over in the form of opportunity by any vested interest people. So let me just tell you one thing, we are very clear about it. An instruction also has been given to the police department, and then even the law itself will take its own course. Because see, right now I think we have seen it, not only in Meghalaya, even throughout India or throughout the world. We have seen there are so many cases, almost every day you will see the unpleasant incidents throughout India or even throughout the world.
In a separate statement, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Home Minister Prestone Tynsong commented on the recent murder of a doctor at the R.G. Kaur Memorial Hospital in Kolkata, saying that the state of Meghalaya is also taking all necessary steps to enhance security and prevent such incidents from occurring in the state.
We will do it. I think the Minister in charge, Dr. Aubrin, she's on the job, and we need to sit down also, be it in the cabinet or be it in the government department or in the government itself. We will discuss this issue to make sure that such unfortunate incidents should not happen in our state, or we don't wish to see this unfortunate incident happen.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.